Take the paper and squeeze it and put it inside the funnel. Press it hard to take the extra water out. Make it thick so it doesn't break and let it dry for 5 hours. Take the stick and very slowly push it out. Let it dry for 1 day and think it as enough.